because Bitcoin has corrected from where it rallied to on Friday of around $42,500. We rallied up here, and that is a very good thing, but yes, we have, in fact, corrected ever since the beginning of Saturday. But the first thing that I need to point out is this trend line right here. Notice this flat level of resistance on Bitcoin. This is set back on the 15th of June at $40,700, and the reason that it is so incredibly critical is because it was the most recent major high that Bitcoin had set. Up until that time, we had seen lower highs right here, lower highs, 3 of them, in fact, 3 major lower highs, and they were signaling that Bitcoin was in a downtrend. But now, we have set a new higher high on the daily chart, and that is a new precedent, because if we want to move into an uptrend, we got to see higher highs and higher lows. Now we've seen the higher high, now we just need to see the higher low, and we might be about to see that pretty soon. Zooming into the 4-hourly chart, we can see that Bitcoin has been rejecting for the last 48 hours and change. Ever since we hit our top here on the 31st of July, we have been pulling to the downside for the last day and a half. In fact, we pulled back 8.2%. A lot of people are very concerned about this. A lot of people are worried, like, hey, Jeb, look, Bitcoin just corrected 8.5% in a day and a half. Is that a problem? Should we be concerned about Bitcoin? I'm here to tell you, no, absolutely not. You shouldn't be concerned about this, and there's a very good reason why. Bitcoin has rallied a massive amount in the last 2 weeks. In fact, ever since we bottomed out at $29,500 on the 21st of July, we rallied 43% in the span of 10 days. Looking at the TD sequential, we can see that Bitcoin got massively overextended. We hit a 9 flash on the TD sequential. We rallied pretty far outside of the Bollinger Bands. Lux Algo is incredibly bullish, but even that would tell you, like, hey guys, we need to calm down a little bit. We need to pump the brakes. So yes, we needed a correction. This has been a very healthy thing so far. Make no mistake, a 10% correction after a 40% rally is not a bad thing. It's not the end of the rally. It is currently simply healthy consolidation that we should be happy about.